Good morning again, boys and girls. It is April 22nd, 2020, and I would like for us to solve two new word problems together before you practice some on your own. Um, so, the way I would like for us to solve our word problems or our story problems today is I would like for us to use a number line for both problems. We're going to work out our work on a number line. Let's check out the first story problem. It says, I see four green ships. You see two brown ships. How many ships do I see all together? I'm going to circle four, two, and I'm going to underline this word all together. Now we need to decide whether or not all together tells us to add or subtract. Let's look at our adding words. It says plus, sum, join, in all, and all together. Look at that right there. All together. Or sometimes you may see it as two words, all together. So, we know we need to add. When you're using a number line to add, you go to the right. We will start with the first number, which is 4. I see 4 green ships, and I see 2, you see 2 brown ships. And we will use the number line to solve it. So I'm going to start right here at 4, our first number, and I'm going to hop over 2 times. 1, 2, and of course to the right. What did I come to? Oh, I came to a 6. When I'm working on a number line, I like to double check my work. So, I'm going to pretend like these cubes are my ships. I do not have 4 green cubes right now, so I'm going to use 4 orange cubes instead. 1, 2, 3, 4 orange cubes for the 4 green ships. And 1, 2 brown cubes for the 2 brown ships. Let's count them together. We should get 6 if we are correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great, I did get 6. And you see how I can solve it 2 ways and double check to see if I get the answer both times. I know this is correct. Let's look at one more problem. I have another number line up here we are going to use, but first we need to read it and decide whether we need to add or subtract. It says, I see 10 owls. 5 fly away. How many owls are left? So I'm going to circle the numbers 10 and 5. My math word are left. How many are left? Let's check Gus the plus first. Oh, I do not see are left anywhere on this. So we're not adding. Let's check Linus the minus. Our subtraction vocabulary. Oh, look right there. How many are left? It's circled. When you see take away, difference, minus, or the words how many are left, we know we are going to subtract. So we will see how many are left. We know that tells us to subtract. So we are going to subtract. When we subtract on a number line, we go to the left instead of the right. We go back to the smaller numbers is another way you could look at it. So we started out with 10 owls. But 5 owls flew away, so we're taking away 5. We need to figure out how many are left. We're gonna hop back 5 from 10. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 minus 5 equals 5. We know that from our friends of 10 Rainbow. But it's always a good it's just always a good idea to double check and solve these problems 2 different ways so that we know we have the right answer. So I have 10 owls on here. I'm going to put an X on 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to count how many are left. These are the ones that did not fly away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we know, because we solved it 2 ways and we got the same answer both times, that we are almost sure that that is the correct answer. When you solve it twice and you get the same number both times, unless you're solving it wrong both times, you're double checking. You're pretty confident, and you guys are doing a really good job of actually memorizing the math facts and being able to just kind of pop them off too. So that will help you become more confident with addition and subtraction and how these numbers come together and break apart. Keep practicing on your whiteboards and your math journals. If you've created a math journal to post some of this in, the more you practice, the better you get. And I've seen some amazing practice from you guys in the pictures. So keep up the good work, and I will see you guys again later. Goodbye.